We got fender, quarter panel, top of the trunk. We're not painting under, we just made a hard line there, and back bumper. She's all pink, so it's time to put her together. I need to slap the glass on, it's still not on. Some interior stuff in the back, and the front end just needs to get buttoned up. I need to fix some gaps, all that stuff, you know, and I'm gonna black out the grill as well, but that's gonna be it for part 3. We'll see you guys on part 4 when she's complete.